In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Everbee to Chrome. Whether you're an Etsy seller looking to boost your product research or simply curious about market trends, this step-by-step guide will help you get started with Everbee effortlessly. To begin, let's launch Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure your browser is up to date to ensure smooth installation and best performance. Once Chrome is open, navigate to the Chrome Web Store. This is the place where you can find a variety of extensions to enhance your browsing experience. In the Chrome Web Store, you'll see a search box. This is where you'll type in Everbee. After typing, press Enter on your keyboard. This will bring up a list of results related to your search. What you're looking for is the official extension titled Everbee Etsy Product Research and Analytics by Everbee. This is the tool that will help you gain insights into Etsy product performance and trends. Once you've located the right extension, it's time to add it to your browser. Click on the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. Your browser will then download and install the extension automatically. This process usually takes just a few moments. After the installation is complete, you'll want to access Everbee. To do this, click on the extensions icon, which looks like a puzzle piece, located in the top right corner of your browser. From the drop-down menu, select Everbee. If you haven't already signed in, you may be prompted to do so. Simply sign in with your Everbee account, or create one if you're new to the platform. For those who like easy access to their favorite tools, there's a handy tip: you can pin Everbee to your toolbar. To pin the extension, click on the extensions icon once more. You'll see a list of your extensions, and next to Everbee, there will be a pin icon. Click on this icon, and Everbee will now be visible on your toolbar at all times, making it just a click away whenever you need it. Everbee is an invaluable tool for Etsy sellers. It provides comprehensive insights into product research, sales estimation, and listing analysis. By using Everbee, you'll be able to discover profitable niches and optimize your Etsy shop with data-driven decisions. That's it for today's video. You now have Everbee installed on your Chrome browser, ready to assist you with your Etsy endeavors. Happy researching and selling!